connect down to his base. He rolls the joints underneath and stretches out. Now, as he does that, my mind is stuck to him feeling what he's doing. So I'll do this 1, 2, 3 times and feel how he's engaging muscle versus elasticity and fascia to bounce me. So in that time, I felt a lot of rising of energy in these two areas here. So what I want to do is touch those areas. You do go into the back stance as if you're going to give me a bounce. You move through the pattern and just rotate loop through it a few times. Just demagnetize that tension. And then I come back and I feed my partner. And then I evaluate how well that work was. So now the tension moved across from the center off a bit more to the sides, especially this side. And just go through the loop, go through the basic movement. I want to feel how the body engages. And demagnetize the activation of those muscles. And then we come in again. Good. Now that was cleaned up.